Introducing FFprompt, Natural Language Video Editing. Hi, I'm Ryan Seddon, and this is my entry for the Chrome Built-in AI Challenge. Have you ever found yourself wanting to quickly convert a video to another format, make it a GIF, extract audio, or even remove audio? Well, now you can with FFprompt, a tool to describe what you want to do to a video in natural language. The beauty of this demo is it's completely client-side thanks to the Prompt API and FFmpeg WASM. Simply attach a video, then chat to it with something like, turn it into a GIF. Let's live demo doing just that. Head over to ffprompt.ryanseddon.com. Here we have the FFprompt UI, which is just a simple chat interface. Let's take that GIF example and actually do it. So if we click the paperclip icon, and we have a video here with audio, and we can hear that audio, we'll attach that. And you can see now we have the attached video. If we do GIF it, you'll see here it actually take that natural language query, convert it into the FFmpeg command, and in our case, return a GIF. We can also do stuff like extract audio. That again, transcode the file, and this time return the extracted audio. We can also remove the audio from the video, returning a silent video. And lastly, we can do another command such as scale up, which will take this lower resolution 320 by 180 video and scale it up to 1280. And this shows a longer operation that will happen. You'll see here that transcoding file takes a while. We get a pop-up here saying it might take a bit, we should check the DevTools. So if we open the DevTools, we can actually see the FFmpeg output here of it processing the file. And here we can see the scaled up version. Another handy thing we can do is we can take unsupported formats, such as the OGV format, which Chrome no longer actually plays. If we attach that and say convert to MP4, we can transcode that file directly and we can play that right in the browser. And that's a quick look at FFprompt. Thanks for watching.